So PM Friday. It's 9:50 degrees. I can get up to the and then hi guys, welcome back to another episode with Glory. Welcome back to another tutorial, and today we are installing Weave. I have never done this before, so this is going to be an absolute beginner's guide. So quick find me struggling here and there, but then at the end of the day we would achieve it. So this is what you should expect in this video. Expect that this tutorial is for absolute beginners. Expect that at the end of this tutorial, you, my darling sister, my gorgeous viewer, would be able to install Quick yourself. So let's get to work. Enough talk. We're going to be using this extension. It's called Kinky Royale in color 1. I don't know how many inches this is because there is no indication of the inches. See this bald cap on my head? I have mini braids underneath the cap, but yeah, I tried to do something like that. Just keep the bald cap in place and not have it moving all over the place, basically. So that's what I did. So yeah, everything you need for this particular hair, I am going to place it on screen so you can see visuals of what you need and what you need to grab. Everything. So I'm going to measure this to see where it stops at the back of my head, and I'm going to cut there. See, once you have it touched, take it.
When I'm stuck in the desert, you're the talent all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see.
Yes. First batch installed. Place from ear to ear to make my life easy. Because this feels like I'm struggling real bad. Have you done this before? What was your first experience like? Was it this bad? This is synthetic, it's not human hair, so I'm not really bothered that I'm going to waste this extension or not. I just want to learn how this is done so I can get better at it. Feels like I'm playing a game. Super fast. Make it tacky. Take it to the back. Check your last placement so you don't have too much empty white space. Then attach it to the ball. I think I'll guess on it. Okay, I need to make my fingers less tacky. Much. Okay, don't judge me, and I won't judge you. Let me come on. This was the last place we placed us, yeah? So, slightly above it. We go again, back. It's taking form. When I started this whole thing, I just wanted to see if it's something I can actually get and do. This is the length right here. Proud is actually an understatement. This is why you should never underestimate yourself and the things you can do. As long as you think it, you can definitely do it. Not to start a pep talk right now. But yeah. In work. As long as you put your mind to it. Let's continue. Pep talk. Again. Okay, we have just small here. Should have just gotten apply your glue. So wrap it up like this. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Mhm. This is the only place where it feels like you're doing maths. For those of us that really don't like maths, you want to separate this into equal parts. I'm going to use flat iron to compress this a bit. Yeah, as well. So I'm hoping this hole isn't too big, but press it down so it doesn't stand like a stick on your head. Perfect. Yeah. So no single holes anywhere. Like, okay, this is good. Anyway, let me show you guys how I filled up the front. The same way we measured at the back is what you still do at the front. When you get to the front, cut your width, then go ahead and add your glue. So once you've done this from here, if you have a mirror, please use one. So that's basically how you do the front. Let me adjust this in front of my mirror and I'll come back. I've been able to adjust this. Let's give this a good brush because right now I look like the masquerade from my village. If I'm in taking breaks. So, drum roll please. Use a large scissors for this one now. I'm use small scissors. So that. So it's time to use flat iron to shape this.
You've got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind.
I hope so, and I hope you find it useful, and I hope you recommend it to your friends or families and loved ones. So thank you for watching. I love you. Ciao. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, subscribe to join the family. Turn on your hit that bell to turn your notification on so you get notified every time I upload a video. Okay, and I'll see you in my next video. Make sure to watch it right here. Bye.